Alright, this is the last step of your HTML website project. You should have already made your HTML web pages and found your image and all that, and now we just have to put what you've created onto the SWeb server. So I am in FileZilla right now. Hopefully you've already installed it, and just wanted to show you real quick. Most of these buttons up here you won't be using for this class, and this is a quick connect, but we're not going to be using it either. This on the left is the file structure of your computer. So it's basically the same as opening, going to start and opening documents. It's going to have everything there that you need. And then this over here is going to be the remote site. We're not connected yet, so nothing's showing up. But we're going to go ahead and connect. So to do that, you're just going to want to go to File up here, and then Site Manager. And I already have this one created. I'm just going to delete it and show you how I made it. So you're going to go to New Site once you're here. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it SWeb Server. And you can always click again or hit rename if you want to rename it. And then for the host, you're just going to need sweb.uky.edu. And the port is 22. And then for the protocol, we're going to do the SFTP. That's the Secure File Transfer Protocol that works best with SWeb. And then SWeb is going to ask for our username and password. So for our logon type, we need to do normal so that it has a username and a password. We don't need an account. So you just put in your link blue user ID and your link blue password, and then click connect. And it'll show some scripts up here while it's connecting. It might take a few seconds. Mine went pretty fast. And so now you can see this is the file structure of our SWeb server. So yours should have your link blue name here, and you'll see the sites folder. The sites folder is where you're going to be putting the pages that you've created. So over here I'm going to go to my desktop, and here's the sites folder that I created for this class. Here's my graphics folder and the 2 pages that I made. So I'm going to upload these to this sites folder. You don't have to upload the whole sites folder from your computer. You just need the graphics folder and these 2 pages. So while I have sites selected over here, I'm going to select these 3. You can just hold down Shift. If you click the first one and hold down Shift and click the last one, it'll select everything in between. And then I'm just going to right click and hit Upload. And it'll run some scripts, and then now you can see the graphics folder, the page 1, and the welcome folder are now in our sites folder on the SWeb account. I have this older folder. You won't have that there. I have some other things in my sites folder, so I just moved everything there so it's not in the way. So you'll just see your 3 things. Now, to actually get onto your site, you'll type in sweb.uky.edu/ and then this little squiggle sign, it's called a tilde. It's above the tab. If you hold Shift and then hit the key above your tab key, that's where it should be. And then you do your user ID. When I go to that, it's saying that it's not found. Oh, I spelled edu wrong. It's sweb.uky.edu. Sorry about that. So now we'll go, and here's my site. You can see the links, the image, all my different headings and paragraphs and lists. And if I go to page 1, you can see page 1. I didn't put any content here, but this is where your discussion about your HTML experience will go. So don't forget about that part. It's worth 30% of this project. And there's more information about that on the HTML assignment sheet in the module. But and then you can just see the links work. They go back and forth between the pages, and my site is now live. I could give this link to anyone, and they would be able to go and view it. And it's also, I've given this to you in the your assignment section, so you can look and see exactly how mine is set up. So that's all for your HTML assignment. Now you just have to go in to the Canvas page where the assignment is. You can find it in Module 3, or you can find it in the Assignments section of Canvas. It's called HTML Website Assignment. And you'll just submit to me this link there, and then I'll grade your website. So, thank you for watching.